Hello guys, welcome to Ali Retainer YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you that how you can update your Windows 11 drivers. For this, if you don't have any CD or installation setup, don't worry, you have to just type driver pack solution to Google. Sorry, typing mistake. Here, the first option, driver pack solution. You can download this online software. It will provide all the necessaries and other software that is required for your PC. You have to just download it, and it is 6 MB, 8.6 MB setup file. After this, you have to install it on your PC, and this software will automatically install all the necessary software drivers that is required for your PC. You can check your driver missing. Here you have to go on driver manager, and here see, I have a CPH 1989 driver is missing sound. Basically, this is my mobile connected to my PC, and there is no any other driver that is required for my PC to update. So after this, it's showing the Chrome is showing is a virus, but we have to keep this file for installation, and click on folder, and folder. After this, this is the software. I have I drag this from other screen to this one cause I have to display. When I click on this to install, and here we have to install this setup. After this, the setup is complete successfully, and the driver pack solution is starting in my PC. So guys, this software is opened, and this software is seeking permission for us to start its working. Start button, install known, and installation header title, installation header file downloading. It downloads some of its software files, and believe this is the software that will completely install all the necessary softwares and the driver that is missing in your Windows 11 system. You can install and fulfill your requirement. I'm skipping this software because I have already all the necessary softwares and drivers installed in my laptop. So guys, you can install this software for your any type of driver missing. This software will also work on Windows 10 and Windows 7. Thanks for watching.